Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What is Sabrina Degni doing now? After 8 grueling yet joyous weeks of baking in the tent, I was thrilled to be announced the winner. When I'm not baking or spending time with my family and friends, I'm busy with my other career as a sales assistant. That's right. I'm a sales assistant by day and a baker by night. Who is Sabrina Degni? I'm Sabrina Degni, founder of Bakes by Sab, and the inaugural winner of the Great Canadian Baking Show. My life completely changed when I was 24 and I auditioned for what would become the greatest adventure of my life.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.